Hello guys, welcome back to Spirotech 365. In this video, I am going to show you how to use LoopOut Offset in After Effects. Follow the steps with me till the end of this video. Change the parameters of effects and presets like I do. First, we will create 3 keyframes for position. Press F9 for easy ease. Change graph like I do. Then we will insert LoopOut Offset Expression by pressing Alt and left click of mouse. Now, you can see that the ball is looping out properly. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this.